Welcome to a new episode of Draw With Us. My name is Sam.
I'm Emmie.
And every Sunday we publish a new video where Emmie teaches us how to draw something. And today we're gonna draw
A unicorn!
a unicorn. So please subscribe to our channels. Don't forget to hit this bell button so that you will be notified every time we publish a new drawings. So let's go.
Okay, so first we're gonna start with her head. So we're gonna do a little S, a bit like this. Kind of like
Okay.
this. Then you do a little U and another S, but not in the right way.
Okay. And you have the mouse, I guess, somewhere.
Yeah, here.
Okay.
Then if you want, you can do a little dot for her nose. Okay, so now we're gonna do like a S.
So it's like her neck,
And her
chest,
chest,
and her
her
leg. Okay.
So S. Then you come back a little bit. And then it's like zigzag a little bit. Zigzag, zigzag.
Zigzag. Yep.
Okay, so now, because this one is curved, we're gonna like go on the same thing, do the same thing, and curve it a little bit. Okay, so now, gonna do her belly.
Belly, yeah.
So we're gonna just do it a tiny bit curved. And we're gonna a little bit do a bump and then come down. There's a lot of S in this drawing.
Yeah.
Come back in.
Okay.
Do you want us to do the hooves now or after maybe? Or the
Yeah, we
neck?
can do that. No, right. The
Okay,
hooves.
so we're gonna do one little, it's like a U. A little bit, because it's a little bit curved inside. Okay, so now we're gonna do maybe her butt.
Yes.
Her back. So we're gonna come back up, and come down. And we're gonna stop here. We're gonna stop here because there's gonna be her mane.
Her mane, yeah. Okay.
Okay, so first we're gonna do 2 points to know where we're gonna trace it, and then we're gonna pass here to there. Yeah. And now we're gonna do the other ones. So we're gonna finish it. So we're gonna do a line, a bit curve also, and it's gonna finish here. Okay. Now we're gonna do another one. So we're gonna do another curved lines and connect it. Okay. So now we can trace a little bit her neck, and here there's gonna be her hair.
Okay.
Her hair.
So you're gonna trace the back of the head like that,
Yeah.
and go up to the ears.
To the ears.
Okay.
So we're gonna do like a little curved and another curved. Well, we can do it almost
It's
in
more
front.
difficult than it seems to draw a unicorn.
Yeah. Like this, and maybe this. And then to do the inside, we're gonna do 2 curves and like bit smaller. It's okay if you missed here and it's a little bit bumpy, because after we're gonna do the hair.
Oh yeah, okay, so I need to catch up
Okay.
and do the top of it.
Then, so you do a bump, and then you can take a part of the bump and we do the same thing. Okay, you can catch up.
Okay, so we do something like
that. Yeah. Or you can do.
Okay.
You can do a bump and then. And now we're gonna do the horn.
The horn, yeah.
So we're gonna do a triangle, very thin, not too big. And we're gonna do a line a little bit diagonal on it. Okay, maybe we should do the eye.
Yes.
So we're gonna do a circle between the two curves here. And we're gonna do a little circle that's white and color in the rest.
I'll keep it like that. Maybe some green or blue eye.
Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna do her tail, maybe.
Ponytail, yes.
So first we're gonna do a
We have
dot.
plenty of space. We can do a big ponytail here.
We're gonna do a dot, and we're gonna connect it here and here. Okay, so now here we're gonna come up, do a S big and it's large, connect it here. Then you come up a little bit. Then you start it from a little bit up. Then this one, you do another same thing. You do it a certain time. And you come up and you make it smaller and put it here. Connect it here. Okay.
Nice.
So now let's do the legs because she has two legs. So maybe we should start with this leg. So first we're gonna do a triangle, but here it's gonna be a little bit round. The same thing over here, but smaller. Yeah. For this one, we're gonna do the same thing, a S. And just put like this. We're gonna do the hooves. There's only one hoof because here the hoof is behind this thing.
It's hidden, yeah. Nice. Okay, I think we are all set.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks nice.
So
Nice unicorn.
So now we're gonna color it.
Yes. So what are the colors that you've picked for me?
So we're gonna take red because it's gonna be a rainbow unicorn. So we're gonna take only rainbow colors.
Okay.
So red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple.
Okay.
Okay.
So what do we start with?
Okay, we're gonna start with the red.
The red.
Alors, on va commencer par la...
Okay, and as usual, we're gonna fast forward this part so that it's not getting boring for you guys. We're done with the coloring. It's a really nice unicorn. So why do we have to do now?
We're gonna do maybe when there's light reflections and maybe shadows.
Oh, okay.
So for this, so maybe we're gonna do shadows, so we're gonna take the orange, do it a little bit more deep and like a bit more, because this is lighter. Yeah, and the same thing for the other colors. Yellow.
And I would love to do the same on her body, but I'm not sure what color I should take.
Maybe.
Can I do that in blue or maybe pink, you know, just to do some shadows here?
Maybe we're doing maybe in gray.
Or gray, really light gray? Do we have that?
Yeah,
Okay.
this one. Oh my gosh.
Perfect. So you know this leg, for instance, the light is not in direct contact with this leg, so this one is in the shadow. So I think gray will be good here.
So we're gonna do a little bit of gray here, because there's a little bit here.
Okay. And we can do a little bit like here on this leg.
I'm gonna do a bit here.
It's not important if you don't do that, because it's just a cherry on the cake, as they say.
I'm doing like the shadows of the tail.
We can do here. We can do it here.
Here, maybe.
Yes.
A bit deeper. I did a bit darker up because there's a lot of that's covering.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Good. This one too.
Yeah.
This. A little bit here, below her jaw.
Yeah, here.
Or in the ear as well.
Yeah. I don't have enough space to do it.
I think it's looking really good, Emmie. This was a really tough one, but I'm really happy with the result. Oh, you did the nose. I will do it too.
Yeah.
I think it's good. Like that. Okay.
Okay.
Let's show this drawing to people who watch us.
So we're finished, but now we're gonna sign it.
Oh yes, we have to sign it.
It's a good souvenir when
Yes.
we're big.
If you put the date. So
Yeah.
yes, we are in 2019. Let's sign it so it will be a good souvenir when you will be a grown-up and when I will be an old man.
Okay. Here we go. A pretty unicorn.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed drawing a unicorn. It's a difficult drawings, to be honest, but it's really nice. So see you on the next video and have a good weekend. Goodbye.
Bye.